Hey guys, what's going on? It's Mark and Landon! Dirty as hell. He ran into the snowbank and got crazy over there and he started rolling around. I said, stop it. So anyways, check this out super quick because we got to roll. Landon's got to get to dinner. This is a, somebody's at my doorbell. Who the hell's there? Snow shovelers, go away. This is a dirty, look at that, just from showing you guys the video and there's mud all over it. Landon can tell you how it drives, right? How's it drive, Landon?
Absolutely amazing.
Drives absolutely amazing. It's got the trunk button, the good turn signals, brand new turn signals that are color matched to the car, kinda. Red in the rear, amber in the front to code. It's got a little spoiler on the rear right here. Beautiful Camaro, absolutely gorgeous Camaro. This is a 2017 Chevrolet Camaro SS, white with the black leather RECARO seats. Let me show you real quick. The SS was back here. Oh, there it is right there. SS, boom. Full exhaust system. It's got an MBRP full exhaust system. Beautiful car. It's got the wrapped hood with the little logo right there on the Camaro kind of thing. It's a flag. Oh shit, how do you open the door? Press the button, open the door. Here you go. Beautiful RECARO seats. Absolutely gorgeous RECARO seats, okay? Suede inlay, leather outlay with the two-tone. Barely you can see some light gray. Beautiful leather dash right there. 6-speed manual transmission. SS, you get navigation, heads-up display, backup camera. 50. Beautiful seats in the rear. I mean, guys, it's just a gorgeous, gorgeous car. A pleasure to drive and an absolute beautiful car. You get some extra mud flaps right here for the front of the car if you wanted to add those, or for the rear, I'm sorry. So on with it. This is it. Let me show you, pop the hood and show you guys what's going on, and we got to get out of here. Oh, and we got to, do we have a full exhaust with this one too? I think we do. Hold on. I want to say with the, yes, included with this car, pop the trunk. Oh, oh. Included with the car is a full or the factory exhaust, I want to say. Maybe it's aftermarket. I think it's the factory. Yes, we do have it. I want to confirm that.
Okay.
So included with the car is the factory exhaust with the car. And I do have that. So it's available for pickup upon purchase of this car. Pop the hood, show you guys what's going on. And there's under the hood. 6.2 liter. Beautiful, beautiful engine. So let us know if you guys check it out, have any questions. Mishimoto, got a whole bunch of good jazz up under there. Fluids are in great shape. But other than that, beautiful car. Come check it out, 540-898-3025. This is the Chevrolet Camaro SS. RECARO seat, 6.2 liter, full exhaust. Check it out. Hope you guys are doing well. See ya.